I'm here at the Pio Pico 1000 Trails campground. Beautiful campground. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I kind of do now. Anyway, I'm taking this hike. They have this trail, I believe it might be the BLM land, but supposedly there's a really good view up here, so I'm headed up here. I'll turn the camera around. It's kind of rocky and straight up. There's the campground down there. But anyway, this campground is big too. See how far back it goes? 2 swimming pools, 2 hot tubs. Yeah, it's a nice campground. So anyway, I'm here for at least another week, I think. So, the weather's been good, so I've been going over to San Diego on the beaches over there. Internet sucks. So as for uploading videos, I don't have no internet just yet, but I eventually will figure that all out. But man, what beautiful. It's turned out to be a beautiful day. There's another storm coming in tomorrow, so I got today to enjoy it. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish this hike. Isn't this just beautiful down here? Look at that. It's so beautiful back there. Got all these mountains, actually pretty green still, with all the rains that we've been having. Very pretty. Anyway, I'm still on my hike. I'm at the Imperial Beach pier. I'm getting ready to take a walk over to it. Really nice day here. And I'm like right on the border. Right over there to my right is the border back there. Not too far anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna walk over this pier.
Okay, yeah, I got two good people.
I'm walking in Imperial Beach. I can actually walk to the Mexico border on this little pier here. I don't know if I'm gonna walk that far. I think it ends right there at the water. Right back there. That's Mexico over there. And you got all those helicopters flying around. See? There's one up there, one over there, one over there. They keep making circles. Oh. Anyway, I'm just gonna kind of walk as far as I can, then I'm gonna take a screenshot of my GPS. I don't know, just for shit and giggles, I guess. Anyway, the ocean's pretty. A lot of military ships out there. It's been a good day so far. I've had really good weather. It's starting to get a little windy now, but the sun's out and it's still pretty nice. So, kind of enjoying this weather. Tomorrow's not supposed to be so good. So, anyway, I'm gonna walk probably the end of these rocks and then I'll call it quits. Here we go. There are so many of these shells. This one's alive. See, he's alive. I'm gonna leave him alone. But they're all over the beach. I got some that are empty, so I'm gonna bring those home with me. See, look. There's some more right here. Yeah, he's alive. He's alive. Yeah, he's alive. A lot of them. This, I'm at the end of the line. The tide's in right there. I can't go over, but right over there, if you can see it, is the border wall. So we can, if the tide was down, I could walk all the way over there, but I'm not going to be able to today. So that's Mexico over there, and I'm quite a ways from where I'm supposed to be. I'm way down there, and the sun is about ready to go down. So I don't think I'm gonna. There's some people over there with some horses. I don't think I'm gonna walk any further. Anyway, this has been fun. I think I'm gonna end up having to walk in the dark though, because I'm supposed to be, I don't know if you can see it, but all those buildings over there where those palm trees are, way over there, that's where I walked from. And I thought I was going to walk over to the border, but I don't think I can. That could be Border Patrol on those horses over there. But anyway, I'm going to take my GPS coordinates right where I'm at. But there's the border wall over there. Oh, am I holding the camera straight? See? All right, turning around. Yeah, I think that's the Border Patrol and horses over there. Not sure though. Okay, I'm on my way back. This has been fun.